Hey everybody, it's me James, Perkins Life 4, coming back at you now. I'm going to do a cooking video. The other day I was watching videos and I came across a video of, and the name of the channel is KEE, KAM, and the FAM. If you don't, go over there, check them out, really good channel, you know. But Cinnamon, which is the mom over there, made some mustard fried chicken. I've never heard of that before in my life, so of course, you know, I had to watch it. And I watched that and it looked so good, so I figured that I'm going to go ahead and try to do that recipe. You know, I might be changing a little bit of stuff, you know, but I figured I'll try to do it and see how it comes out for us. So what I got over here, let's get you over here. Let's get you up here, up high so you can see. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make my marinade in the bowl. In this bucket here, right here, I have chicken leg quarters, and I have some chicken tenders, which are strips or tenders, whichever one you want to call them. So I'm going to make the marinade for them. And basically what it is, it's the hot sauce. It's any hot sauce you want. And I'm going to use the Frank's Red Hot. So I'm going to put that in here. Because I've been looking for a good spicy chicken. And I figured, shoot, add some mustard to it. That'd make pretty good. So I added, you know, and make your marinade to whatever size batch of chicken you got. And then I'm going to dump in the mustard. And that was a whole bottle of hot sauce, and I think I have maybe about a quarter cup of mustard left. Get all that mustard out. There we go. And then I'm going to add some of this Cajun seasoning, this Tony's right here. I'm going to add some of that to it. And I want mine a little bit spicy, so I'm going to add, I added a good amount there, probably maybe another quarter cup of that. So I'm going to stir that up. And that stuff always gets me coughing right off the bat. Sorry. Oh, wow. Wow, it's just like when it comes out, it's like a dust. Man. All right. And that's really all the spices I'm going to add to mine. I think they added some different spices. I'll try to link their video up here so you go over there and you can see how they made theirs. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour my sauce into my chicken now. And then now we need to stir it. And I'm going to use the stirrer God gave me, my hand. And yes, I've washed my hands and everything. So I just want to get all this coated up. See if I can get y'all down in here watching this. Oh, it smells wonderful though. And you know, it's coating it up pretty good. You know, so there we go. And then what I'm going to do, let's get you back over here real quick. And then what I'm going to do with this though is I'm going to stick this in our refrigerator. I'll probably let it marinate in this sauce for probably 2-3 hours. And then I'll come back and what I'll do then is I'll take it and then I'll get some flour in a bowl and I'll just kind of take it right out of the bucket and right into the flour, bread it, and I'll throw it right into our fryer. And this is the fryer I'll be using right here, and I'll show you that here when I come back. So we'll just see you here in just a little bit. Okay, I'm back. It's been about 5 hours. So, but I've got my fryer heated up, and the fryer that I'm using is a Butterball electric turkey fryer. And I've shown this before in a previous video before. And you know, it's just one of those that you have your basket in here. You have a pretty good sized basket and everything, so. And I've got, it's just one of those that right down here, you just can set the temperature of what you want it to be, and you're off and running. It's really nice. And what's nice about it is you can stick it in there and fry your stuff up, and then you can use this fryer I usually use it about 4 or 5 times, and then I'll drain my grease out, put new grease in, scrub it all down and everything. So, but I've got my bowl right here. It's got my flour in it. I've got my chicken out of the fridge. I'm going to batter it, stick it in there, and fry it. We're going to go 15 minutes, and when the 15 minutes is up, I'm going to check it because I have a thermometer. If you don't have a thermometer to cook with, it might be something. That's just like, I like that. For me, it's just like having a knife. I just think it's an essential tool. That way, there's no guessing. Or do I cook it long enough or whatever? Just easier that way. So, let me get you set up here, and I'll get you ready over here so you can probably see how we're doing this here. So what I'm going to do, I got my flour, and I'm going to do these leg quarters first, and this is the leg quarter. So I'll batter it. Let's get my fryer open. Batter it really good. Shake the excess off, and then stick it in the fryer. And I just stick it in the basket right now. Here's my next piece. Make sure it skins over there. I always forget to talk. I get into this so much. And I've got 3 pieces in so far. It's going to take me another 2. I got them ready. So then we'll move y'all around here. I think y'all can see that. Okay. One thing I always remember, use tongs because this stuff's hot. So I'm going to drop this down in there. And I'm going to add my other 2 legs from the leg quarters. Okay. Shut your lid. I got my timer all ready. And here we go. So, I will come back at you here whenever this is ready to come out. So I'll see you here in a little bit. All right. Chicken is done. So let's see what we got. Look at that chicken. Alrighty, we're back. Check on our fries. Oh yeah. And basically all I do with the French fries is I don't set a timer or nothing. I just stick them in there and I just check on them every so often until it's until they're golden brown. Dump them out. Of course, you gotta have your salt. All right. So now what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna throw chicken strips in. And I've got these over here and they're already, I had them in the batter just waiting. Kind of rushed it a little bit, so just put these down. Just shake off each individual one. Put you a layer down. And then what I do is I'll drop this and I'll set the rest of my chicken strips in there. Because this will actually hold a pretty good amount of chicken in it. There we go. And I'm going to set this for 12 minutes. And what I like to do is, I did this on the other chicken, I just didn't say nothing, but I'll say it on this one, is once it's in there for a little bit, just kind of twist it so nothing sticks to each other. So we'll come back as soon as that one's done and see you in a minute. Okay, we're back. And we got a Tia over here, she's gonna try it out.
It's good.
How's that flavor on that?
It's good. One thing I do have to say is you can't taste the mustard.
Oh, that's nice. But does it give it a different taste though?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah, because I've been trying to make a good spicy chicken sandwich or chicken for a while, but it was just always something missing out of it. And then whenever I saw Cinnamon over there at KAM and FAM make this mustard chicken, and she's adding hot sauce to it and everything, I said, you know, that's what I'm going to have to try to do. So, do you like it? Mm-hmm. Alrighty, so there you go. We'll get back to making this chicken strips, and I know that I'm going to get a lot of hate out of this one because Atia's going to give me a bad look here, but me and the boys really don't care for the chicken with the bone in it. I'd much rather just have the chicken strips. So, well, she's okay with that too, though, because she gets all the other chicken now.
Yeah.
So me and the boys are going to wait for the chicken strips, and we'll get back to you here in a little bit.
Okay, bye-bye.
All right, we're back. This is going to be the chicken strip one. All right, there we go. That was 13 minutes. I went ahead and had it for 12 minutes. See what they look like. Oh yeah, look at those. Can y'all see those? Let's get my thermometer out. Find the biggest piece. All right, done. So I just love that thermometer. All right, get this chicken out. And I'm gonna make, after this, I'm gonna put some fries in, some French fries in, because the first batch I put in were crinkle fries. And now this batch I'm putting in is steak fries, because I like to have a seasoned French fry. So I'll probably put some Cajun seasoning on my French fries. And, you know, some Cajun seasoning, maybe a little bit of a seasoning salt, garlic, and because I like to have a flavored French fry. Atia just likes the regular fries with salt on them. So I cook a separate thing of fries. So we'll be back here just a little bit. All right. We are back with the old steak fries. And then right here, I've got some Cajun seasoning, seasoning salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. And I'm going to season these fries up. All right. So there we go. I'm gonna put my next batch of chicken in now. Okay everybody, thank you for watching our video. I somehow have lost the rest of this video of me and the boys trying the chicken, but I'd like to let y'all know that it was really good. I want to thank KAM and the fam and Cinnamon for giving us the recipe. It was wonderful. So don't forget to go check them out. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. And everybody have a wonderful day. And we will see you on the next video. Bye.